Thanks for showing up. I know it's not easy to sit here, but that's why we're here. To listen and to be heard. Let's start simple. How's everyone feeling today?
Third, because school.
Carlos, you're always tired.
Hey, humor my coping mechanism.
And that's okay, Carlos. But let's dig a little deeper. Tired can mean a lot of things. So, anyone else?
I guess overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed? Can you tell us more about that?
It's just everything feels like too much sometimes. Soccer grades, college applications, everyone watching us, expecting me to do great. And I don't want to disappoint anyone. But some nights I just lie in my bed and my brain won't shut up. It's like I can breathe.
I get the whole pressure to be perfect things people think I have it all together because I smile all the time, but they don't see how I avoid mirror or skip meal because I hate what I see.
Wearing a mask, right? I do that too. Since my brother died, everyone treats me like I'm fragile. They either avoid me or say, I'm so sorry. I hate it. I don't want their pity. I miss him. And I don't know.
Have it all figured out, Samir. None of us do have been there feeling like no one understands. Depression hit me like a wave. Out of nowhere, I stopped caring about my friend, my grades, even myself, and I vowed I'd never get out of that.
I wish I could talk like that. My dad always says, man up. So instead, I joke around so no one asks questions. But honestly, I feel invisible, like no one actually knows me.
And that's why we're here. To take up those marks. Even if it's just a for a moment. You are all carrying something, but you don't have to carry it alone.
It's funny, we see each other in the hallway every day, but we don't know what anyone really.
Yeah, like Carlos, I didn't know you felt that way. And Samir, I'm sorry about your brother.
Things. I think talking about him helps, even when it's hard.
See? This is a connection. We all have our struggles. But talking about them makes the weight a little lighter. It doesn't mean the problem disappears overnight. But it means you're not alone. So let's all promise something. That we will check each other. If you see someone sitting alone at lunch, go sit with them. If you're struggling, go find someone you trust. Ask for help